Today I'm going to be installing an expansion tank, and I'm pretty sure I'm doing it because it was leaking. Right back there is where it's going to go. And here's the old expansion tank. I need to grab a ladder and then we can jump right in. The tools that I brought for this are my air compressor, my digital gauge, and water pressure gauge. All of the water is currently shut off, obviously, or water would be shooting out from there. Here is our new expansion tank. Teflon tape the threads. And also hit it up with some paste, some Teflon paste. Twist to the left first, then to the right. Okay. There we go. Now to turn the water on, this is the main. Not much air in the system. Go ahead and turn this hot water loop back on. Oh, these SharkBites. We love our SharkBites in apartment maintenance. Even plumbers put them in. And okay. Go ahead and shut this water off. Now I need to find out what the water pressure is inside this unit. So I'm going to hook my water pressure gauge up to this air bleed valve. And we are at I would say 65 PSI. Shut back down on that. And these expansion, this one comes pre-charged at 40 PSI, so we got to add some air. Unfortunately, I do have to drain the water out of that expansion tank to add the air. If anyone has any issues with that, let me know. I'm not a pro plumber. And this is significantly lower, so this should drain out no problem. While the water's draining, I can go ahead and start hooking up, start pumping air into my compressor. That should be plenty, don't need much. Okay, let's get way back there to the top. And this just twists off. Okay. All right, I got that on. Now I'm just gonna do quick, short spurts until it gets up to 65. All right. Put the cap back on. And turn the water back on. Clean this up. Don't forget to turn the hot water heater back on, even though I wasn't the one that turned it off. There's an expansion tank install. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Dave. See you on the next one.